Okay, so this is a basic RC car with a base and obviously four tires. So this is the base.
देखना दूसरा ब्लैक पेन या कुछ ले सके तो देख कैन आई हैव 2-3 पेन्स
Yeah. So this is the base and it has four tires. And obviously they move the car, which is the base. And the thing which is to point is that it has four LEDs at four edges. Four LEDs at four edges. So I have done some basic circuits by which if the car moves forward, this LED will glow. If the car moves right, this LED will glow. If the car moves backwards, this LED will glow. And if the car moves left, then this LED will glow. That's it.
So this is a basic car.
Yeah, this is a car.
How did you make it move in all directions?
Uh, See, so it has four wheels, and I have connected these four these.
You're listening. You're able to see? Okay.
Yeah. So these two are connected with the DPDT, and these two also are connected with the DPDT. So I know that I have four directions to move my car in. So either it will go forward or backward or right or left. So if all four tires will move forward, then the car will move forward, and all four will move. If they will move backward, the car will move backward. And I also know one thing, that these two and these two will be in same direction every time. Like these two won't move opposite to them. Like if this is moving forward, this will also move forward. Whatever action I have to do, whether I have to make it right, left, backward, forward, these two will move in same direction, and these two will move in same direction. That's why these two and these two are connected with the same DPDP.
But why, just sorry to interrupt, why those tires cannot move in opposite? If they do, problem क्या है उसमें?
They are in same line. Like this is the line, or maybe this path. The force will be in the same path. The force applied will be in this line. So if this will move backward and this will move forward, they will cancel out the forces and the car won't move.
It's like crushing the platform.
Crushing the platform, exactly. But the base is strong enough that it does not crush it by itself. If it was made up of plastic, then maybe the car would have shrinked. But anyways.
अभी रिसेंटली अक्षज के साथ हुआ था. अक्षज ने उसको अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में कर रखा था and tires were just slipping. Obviously कोई movement था ही नहीं. Okay.
That's why they will always move in same direction. And these two are in different lines. Like this is the line of force.
Use the other pen. You can see that it's not working well. Lunch quickly, please.
Yeah. So this is the line of force, and this is the other line of force. So if this line moves backward, that means these two tires move backward and these two tires move forward. So the car will turn like this. They are not cancelling the force because they are not in the same line. Like in this case, if this is moving backward and this is moving forward, this will cancel the force because they are in the same line. But in this case, they are not in the same line. That's why this will force the car to move in that direction. And if the opposite happens, if this moves backward and this moves forward, the car will turn right.
Just a little question. So this is the torque. Because the torque is the force which rotates the object. What is that center point around which this is rotating? The center point. For example, the axis जिस पे डोर खुलता है, जहाँ पे hinges लगे हैं, those are that is the line around which the door opens, rotates. Where is that point in this when it rotates?
I guess this is the center of the car. is the
Yeah, so my next question, which brings me to the next question, that इस सेंटर से जितना दूर होगा ना फोर्स उतना आसान होता है रोटेट करना. So if you make this platform more wider, you think it will be easier to rotate?
Yes, but then this base will also have its weight.
Direct question.
But this base will also have its weight now. So you have to think that if I will make it this with this much bigger, then the weight of the base will also increase. According to that, it will work. Like the base is not, it's not a negligible mass. It also has some mass.
So let's say हम base constant रखते हैं. Let's move the tires. So if you bring the tires more inside, then it will be harder.
Yes.
Sure. Okay. No. According to you, so what I'm saying is ये जो टायर्स हैं इनको बेस, ये तो अभी बेस के साइड में है, इनको बेस के नीचे ले जाके थोड़ा अंदर ले आओ, प्लेटफॉर्म के अंदर.
So it won't be difficult because the motor is way powerful for that.
No, I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm saying इस ये जो अभी हुआ है इसके कंपैरिजन में that will be difficult. It would. Okay. I also think it would because the torque you will need will be more. It's like तुम उस डोर को खोलते हो ना, डोर को हैंडल पकड़ के खोलो और एक हिंजेस के पास से उंगली प्रेस करके ओपन करो, तुम्हें डिफिकल्टी समझ में आएगी.
But in this case, we ourselves are opening, so we can feel the force we have.
No, in this case, we will also feel like in due course of time, the power we have, the power it will consume, we can see that figure, na. That also will ultimately is from our pocket, na. समझ में तो आ ही जाएगा.
Yeah, we can, but it's not that easy that we can just try and open the door and we can, because in this case the motor is working. It's not us that we are moving the base.
हम वर्क की ही बात कर रहे हैं, हम ये नहीं बोल रहे, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि हमें कितनी आसानी होगी, हम मोटर के ही वर्क की बात कर रहे हैं. तो इवन मोटर विल फाइंड इट हार्ड. तो मोटर विल आल्सो फाइंड इट हार्डर टू, मोटर विल नीड मोर पावर टू टर्न इफ इट कम्स क्लोजर. Is it?
The speed would be the same, but it would be needing more power.
More power.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is what I mean by saying harder, right?
The speed will be more because the base will be smaller.
No, we are not making base smaller. That's the point. Base is this only because you said कि हम extra weight add करेंगे तो problem है. तो ठीक है. अगर कोई चीज दो चीजों पर डिपेंडेंट है और आपको एक से उसका इम्पैक्ट देखना है, इफ सपोज समथिंग इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन टू फैक्टर्स ए एंड बी, तो एक को कांस्टेंट करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड कि टायर को अंदर बाहर करके बात करो फिर. ठीक है. और ऐसा होता ही है ना, तुमने अगर घरों के गेट्स में देखा होगा तो बड़ा अगर लोहे का गेट होता है तो उसको ऑब्वियसली तुम धक्का देके खोलते हो, तुम्हें ज्यादा लगता है.
आप अगर हिंज से करो कुछ तो बहुत हार्ड होगा.
मैंने देखा है.
So ठीक है, this is absolutely perfectly fine. So how did you do the LED thing?
I tried some connections and some worked and some didn't. So there are two connections. This LED and this LED. The forward and backward LED because this is the same function. Like if this is moving forward, backward is the reverse of this. So I can just connect the LED into reverse. So these are connected in the same way and these are connected in the same way. So I tried some circuits and one circuit that led me to this working, I made this circuit on this car. Yeah.
Okay. Any questions? You have something? He hasn't seen the video, won't make sense. You haven't seen the remote car of ours, any of them? No, right?
Yeah, but I have a question for like if you want to make it small or big. Like I think this is the perfect size because if you're making a car, it should be aerodynamic.
Aerodynamic, yes. So I didn't ask them to concentrate on that because we are obviously not speeding this car up. You know,
Yeah,
we're just making a usual thing. Okay, it should move and everything that way. But yeah, aerodynamic is a good point. Obviously, it should be.
because like if there's one way weight and the other way is really like light.
Can you explain over there? Go over there and explain. Aerodynamic.
Like if it's really weight from here, like in case you put this much cardboard here and you put a piece of cardboard there, it would not balance, right? So I think like you should not shorten it or big like you should not expand it too, so that it could be the perfect size. I think this is the perfect size.
What about the aerodynamic thing you were talking about?
like cause whenever a car goes, like the wind pressure goes through it, right? So it shouldn't be too light so that car goes off balance. It should have some sturdiness. So like
That's
it
why I
creates
have put 4
downforce.
cardboard. See the layers, like not with not I didn't thought of the aerodynamic, but yeah, there are 4 layers of cardboard in this.
But
Yeah,
but
so-
the aerodynamic is something different.
Yeah, like it's mostly used for race cars so that they have enough downforce and it should be balanced basically.
Okay. Okay. Are you sure you're not trying to talk about streamlining the shape?
I kinda, cause the shape should be perfect. Like one way small, one way big.
Won't work.
It won't work.
Depends on air pressure.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to add, Nilansh? किसी के पास कोई question, guys? चलो ठीक है. I anyways do not want you to tell them how you have connected the LEDs. Specifically that, because मैंने अक्षज को भी यही बोला है कि पहले से forward backward का देखो. Then improvise on it. That I think that worked. That's why I'm thinking that's the right approach. But still, let's see how it goes. Okay. Thank you.